What's up guys, welcome to the first episode of the Toyota T18 build. I don't know about you guys, but for me, when a car looks good, I'm super motivated to work on it, and at the moment this thing looks like an absolute piece of crap. And in fact, I've actually given it a name. Let me know if you guys like this name. It's called Rusty, the Crusty Crap-wagon. So let me know what you think about that name in the comments below, because I think it's freaking rad. So the purpose of today is to get the T18 looking awesome, and the way we're going to do that, we've gone out, we've got a couple of goodies for it. Shout out to Damon for hooking up the wheels. We have some not brand new, but we've got some new wheels that we're going to be putting on the T18. We've also got a bucket seat because at the moment it doesn't have a driver's seat. I actually freaking love this seat. It's so yellow and so haggard. It fits perfectly with the T18 build. It's going to look terrible in there, which is exactly what we want. So yeah, we're gonna give this thing a wee spruce up and make it look cool, because when it looks cool, I'm more motivated to kind of fix it up and make it rad. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is jack it up, get these wheels off. And actually, I bought this car sight unseen, so I don't even know what it looks like underneath. So I'll have a look and see what's going on underneath it as well. Oof. Rad. So, currently has cut springs in it, but I have some other springs that we're going to use instead of those. The diff. These diffs are absolutely tiny. But yeah, we're going to be running probably about 140 kilowatt, 190 horsepower or so in there with the M40 turbo on this thing. So chances are we're going to have to upgrade the diff. Now they have a Nissan Pintara, or R31 I think, Pintara here in Australia, that has a diff that'll go pretty easily into this, just with a bit of welding and cutting and welding for the brackets. So we think we may put that diff in here, and that'll hold all the power that we need. Because when you go to a track day, last thing you want to do is swap a diff out, and these diffs aren't exactly easy to find either, and they probably, I reckon, would smash pretty easily with a couple of clutch kicks. So we just want to take this thing to the track and just drive all day long. That's the aim anyway, to have a super reliable seat time car that you can just take, have a lot of fun and bang up. Don't really care too much about. So much rust. Oh, classic. Let's get these wheels off and see how the other wheels fit. Spring kind of just sitting there for now. At the moment I think it's on the bump stops at the back, but look how big they are, massive. So we'll be able to chop them down. We should be able to go quite a bit lower in the rear, and then I'm just going to run some different springs with a higher spring rate, so that it's nice and stiff but not sitting on the bump stops, because we still want some kind of movement. But we have to roll these guards. The new wheels, by the way, are 15x8, 0 offset, so pretty cool. Chuck some paint on here. Boom. Alright, let's chuck the wheel on. Man, there's one wheel on. Instantly already looks better. We'll chuck the other one on the other side and let it down and see how she looks. It's crazy how wheels can change literally the whole look of a car. Ooh yeah, wow, that looks so cool, damn. But even that just looks so much better. The whole thing needs a wash, but so cool. Let's do the front. Now that we've got the front off, we can kind of get a better look at the coilovers in this thing, which is rad. So it's got custom coilovers, which is super cool. It's also running different LCAs up the front. Missing a bolt up here, which is nice. Different LCAs up front, so they're actually 15mm longer, which is awesome. Nice brand new tie rod ends. Definitely gonna have to remove this inner plastic up here, roll these guards. These are actually bigger brakes as well. Also, massive shout out to Matt Russell, who sold me this car. He's an absolute legend. He drives an insane E86. Follow him. What a legend. But let's keep pushing on and let's put a wheel on here. Ooh, so that's the wheel sitting on at the moment. She's poking a little bit, but I actually have to adjust the camber on the camber top, so I'm going to do that quickly. As you guys saw in the last episode, it's got adjustable camber tops, so I'll go ahead and dial in as much camber as possible, and then we'll do the wheels up and lower this side down. It's literally as easy as pushing the shock in, just like that. And that's camber fully dialed in. Obviously, when you have to go ahead and get a wheel alignment after this, but this is just me dialing in the camber so the wheels at the moment fit under the arches. That's how easy it is to dial in the camber if you've got adjustable camber tops. Pretty mad. Yes, that's what you want. That looks so damn cool. I reckon the back needs to come down a little bit more. Needs a front lip, 100% needs a front lip. Quick disclaimer as well, I got a brand new set of tyres to go on these wheels, so don't panic. I'm not going to run these tyres, they're obviously baked, I'm not going to run them on the track, but at the moment they're just so the car looks good and the car's rolling. Oof. There we have it, guys. Looks so good. Definitely need to give it a quick clean. Cut and polish the whole thing. Leave the rust as it is because rust is awesome. It's so yellow. Awesome. Obviously it's just sitting in there for now. We need to make brackets for the bucket seat. Rip the interior out. It's going to be a hell of a ride. But I'm super excited. Alright, time to give this thing its first clean it's probably had in the last 10 years at least. Have it. Literally looks like a new car aside from the extensive amount of rust. Yeah. Alright, that's the end of this video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you've got a little bit more faith in this thing now, that it actually looks rad. It's going to be a lot of fun, I think. But thank you guys for watching, and it'll be maybe a couple of weeks before we get another update on the T18 because we are working on the E36, getting it all good for the upcoming events, including the Adam LZ event, which I'm sure we're all excited about. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this thing, I just can't wait to get it built. Cheers, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all that jazz. Peace.